Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Level English, your daily dose of English immersion.
I play.
I play.
What do you play?
I play football.
I play football.
I do not play chess.
I do not play chess.
Where do you play?
I play in the park.
I play in the park.
I do not play in the house.
I do not play in the house.
I dance.
I dance.
Where do you dance?
I dance at parties.
I dance at parties.
I do not dance at work.
I do not dance at work.
When do you dance?
I dance on weekends.
I dance on weekends.
I do not dance on Monday.
I do not dance on Monday.
I read.
I read.
What do you read?
I read books.
I read books.
I do not read newspapers.
I do not read newspapers.
Where do you read?
I read in bed.
I read in bed.
I do not read on the bus.
I do not read on the bus.
I write.
I write.
What do you write?
I write emails.
I write emails.
I do not write letters.
I do not write letters.
Where do you write?
I write at my desk.
I write at my desk.
I do not write in the kitchen.
I do not write in the kitchen.
I watch.
I watch.
What do you watch?
I watch movies.
I watch movies.
I do not watch TV.
I do not watch TV.
When do you watch?
I watch at night.
I watch at night.
I do not watch in the morning.
I do not watch in the morning.
I listen.
I listen.
What do you listen to?
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I do not listen to the radio.
I do not listen to the radio.
Where do you listen?
I listen in my room.
I listen in my room.
I do not listen in class.
I do not listen in class.
I draw.
I draw.
What do you draw?
I draw pictures.
I draw pictures.
I do not draw maps.
I do not draw maps.
Where do you draw?
I draw at home.
I draw at home.
I do not draw at work.
I do not draw at work.
I paint.
I paint.
What do you paint?
I paint pictures.
I paint pictures.
I do not paint cars.
I do not paint cars.
When do you paint?
I paint on weekends.
I paint on weekends.
I don't paint every day.
I don't paint every day.
I show.
I show.
What do you show?
I show photos.
I show photos.
I do not show money.
I do not show money.
Who do you show?
I show my friends.
I show my friends.
I do not show strangers.
I do not show strangers.
I learn.
I learn.
What do you learn?
I learn English.
I learn English.
I do not learn Chinese.
I do not learn Chinese.
Where do you learn?
I learn at school.
I learn at school.
I do not learn at the park.
I do not learn at the park.
Now it's your turn to practice. So let's put what you've learned into action right away. Try to write 3 phrases that you learned in the comments. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to practice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.